Welcome to
Coding with Kids.
My name is Kalia.
My name is Andrew.
Today we're in Minecraft Education Edition and in the Hour of Code Escape Estate. In the last video we completed this room with a lot of plants and mushrooms.
So it's probably the garden.
Yeah, and now we're gonna go through this.
Bye. Loading.
It's yellow.
Shoo. Ooh, there's lots of iron.
Search
Maybe
room
it's
for
a
particles.
factory. Ooh, there's smoke.
Ooh, maybe
And
campfires there.
Look down. Look, there's mushrooms again. And there's lots of copper on.
Oh.
And then there's these patterns and a particle button here.
Okay.
Okay.
Ooh,
Ooh, look, there are patterns over there.
let's see.
Press C to code. Pipes. You'll need to add a specific amount of blocks to each of the hoppers. Maybe there's something in the room that can tell you how many. Use the drop block function to drop the correct amount of colored block into the pipes. The drop block function takes one parameter that defines what color block should be dropped. Yellow, blue, orange, and magenta. Magenta.
Okay, so let's see this one. Okay.
So here are the hoppers.
Ooh, it turns different colors.
No, so let's see the pattern. I think this is how many of each color we have to put in the hoppers.
Okay, so 2 yellow, 4 blue, 3 magenta, and 2 orange.
Jump down. Let's hope we don't damage ourselves on these spikes.
I don't think we can.
Well, we are in survival. Okay, so now we're in code.
Okay, so let's see.
Here we can also use the repeat block to do it faster.
It does the same thing. So, look, it changes color when one is dropped in. So okay, so let's go to code and first do.
We're gonna do
2 yellows.
2 yellow. Drop block
Yellow.
So now that we have 2 yellow, I think it's
4 blue.
wait, you need to check.
Okay. Let's see.
It's 2. Okay, then 4 blue.
Okay, so we're gonna use a repeat loop.
4 I in range. Range
4.
4. We have to do drop block blue. So now let's run it and check it.
Okay. Okay. It turns green. That one turns
now we
green
have
too.
both of these colors right. So now we need 3 magenta.
And 2 orange. Okay. So let's make a repeat loop again.
So 3 times. We'll have to drop block magenta. So now let's run it again.
Ooh, okay, good, good. It's supposed to turn green under
So
the
now
cauldron.
all we have
Dropper.
left is the orange. So
We need 2 orange.
So we do drop block orange, and we do this 2 times. So now let's run it and it should work.
1, 2, 3. Wait, 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2.
Puzzle solved. So now we need to solve room for particles again.
Let's search room
Let's
for
see.
particles. Nothing here. Oh,
Ooh, there's a cage.
huh?
Ooh, 1 chicken, 3 sheep, 5 cows, and 23 crowns.
I think a cow is 5 pounds, a sheep is 2 pounds, and a
3.
chicken is 1
It's
pound.
3.
Oh, oopsies, 3 pounds.
And the crown is 20.
I think this is the what we should achieve. So let's see. Wait. Oh.
So C to code. Weights. You need to scale to reach a weight of exactly 23 pounds. Maybe there's a sign around here to tell me how much each mob weighs. Use the summon animal function to summon a combination of animals that adds up to 23 pounds. Okay, so we can do chicken, sheep, and cow. So let's do our math. So the most simple is to get the cows first, to get as close as we can, which is 20. So that is 4 cows.
4 cows.
And then 1 sheep.
Or we can do the simplest, is just spawn 23 chickens, because they're all 1 pound. Okay, let's see. This is a code
Let's just
example.
do cow and sheep.
Sure.
Okay, look.
Ooh.
It's spawning animals on it.
Okay.
There's only 1 chicken.
Okay, let's run the code again. Oh. Let's run the code again.
So now
Oh.
this a bunch of.
Oh,
they're all
10.
in the same place, so it's still not.
Oh.
Good. Okay. So now let's do it. So we can also use repeat loops. So first we need to do 4 cows.
So we're gonna do a repeat loop.
For iron range.
4.
We're gonna do summon animal cow. So now let's try it.
Should measure to 20.
Okay, so 20. So now we need 3 more. So which is 1 sheep.
Or if you wanna, you can do 3 chicken, but we're gonna do 1 sheep.
Then summon animal sheep. So now let's run it and it should be 23.
Ooh.
Okay,
Whoa.
so now it went down.
It should be heavy. 20.
Puzzle solved. Search room for more particles.
So let's search.
I think it's up here. This room's pretty big.
Whoa.
Yo, there are lots of mobs and minecarts. That's crazy.
Okay.
Then there are huge mob faces
made out of wool.
and concrete. This is crazy.
Oh,
Okay.
there's a diary page. Can we jump down? Walk down.
Let's walk down. Read the diary page.
Okay.
Entry 7, the laboratory. Dear diary, I made a most fascinating discovery today. A laboratory. So this room is a laboratory. It's complete with mysterious machinery and strange experiments, the likes of which I've never seen. Or have I? There's something very familiar about this place. So that's our diary page.
So creepy. Okay, let's go back up. Okay. And let's press code to see what we have to do.
The mobs need to be sorted into the right passageways. Look at the mobs queued up to be sorted and sort them based on the order they are waiting. Use a sort mob function to set the order they should be stored. So let's run this code to see what happens.
So there's zombie, skeleton, and creeper.
Run zombie.
Okay, zombie.
So the first card will go to zombie.
Second
And then
card.
zombie and zombie.
Oh, there's 2 X's on their eyes. So we need to sort each mob to the right place. So like the creeper goes there, skeleton goes there, and a zombie goes there. Okay, so let's see. We can use a repeat loop too. So let's try this. Oh, that's wrong. Skeleton, zombie, skeleton, creeper, creeper, zombie, zombie. What is it again? Okay, let's go to have a better. Let's see over here. So it's
So there.
skeleton,
First is skeleton, zombie,
zombie,
and skeleton.
skeleton. Okay, let's delete all of this.
Sort mob. So the first one's skeleton. And then
Zombie,
skeleton.
you're supposed to do zombie first.
Really?
Yeah.
Let's see. No, it's skeleton.
Oh, no, it's zombie.
Skeleton first.
Oh, skeleton first, then zombie, then skeleton. So over here we need.
The second one is zombie.
Yeah, so we have to
So change the first. So we're gonna put zombie.
Okay, let's see. Skeleton, zombie. Okay, and then we have skeleton and two creepers. Okay.
Skeleton. Then sort mob creeper 2 times.
Okay.
So now let's run it. And they should all go in except for the last 2 zombies.
Ooh.
Whee! The skeleton went to the creeper.
And that is stuck.
It's stuck. The creeper's stuck. Oh
Okay.
no. Okay, they respond.
Okay, let's see it. Our code again.
So skeleton, zombie, skeleton, then creeper.
Creeper.
Skeleton, zombie,
Zombie, skeleton, creeper, creeper. Let's
run
try
it
it again. Okay, skeleton.
It went to zombie. Zombies went in. So let's just put the zombies at the end.
Yeah.
Because I'm pretty sure our code is right.
Yeah.
Sort mob, zombie. Now let's run it. Wait. Yeah.
Okay. Wait, let's go back. Oh,
Oh, it's
they're moving.
They went all in the wrong ones. And the creeper still sucks.
I think
Minecraft's glitching.
Yeah.
And the creeper
This is
still
puzzle
sucks, but it
solved.
says puzzle solved.
So
Now
we did our code is right, except the graphics are
yeah,
wrong.
so you can still copy our code. So now there's a little factory there. And look, it's the portal. That was the portal.
Ooh.
Let's go down.
Look at these green. They're so cool.
There's like gas chambers.
Okay.
Let's go. Should we go?
No, next video.
Okay.
Well, that was fun, and that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Remember to smash the like button and subscribe. Bye bye.